Hello and welcome to our first English video. Today we will talk about present simple tense, or in Czech, přítomný čas prostý. Let's have a look. Take a look at the sentence. I play football every Tuesday afternoon. Každé úterý odpoledne hraji fotbal. You do not change the verb, like playing or played. You just put play in the sentence. It's very simple. But take a look at this sentence. He plays football every Tuesday afternoon. Každé úterý odpoledne hraje fotbal. You can see that we have s at the end of the verb play. Why? Because I changed to he when the subject of the sentence is in the third person singular, like he, she or it. We put s at the end of the verb. Sometimes we use es with verbs that end with o, like go, goes, or do, does, or verbs that end with the sound ch, j, or sh, like watch, watches, switch, switches, and so on. Now, let's take a look at negative sentences. We created these by putting do not or does not between the subject and the verb. For example, I do not play football every Tuesday afternoon. Or I don't play football every Tuesday afternoon. Nehraji fotbal každé úterý odpoledne. Again, remember the rule for the third person singular, he, she or it. He does not play football every Tuesday afternoon. Or he doesn't play football every Tuesday afternoon. Nehraje fotbal každé úterý odpoledne. Alright, here is the first exercise. Now, pause the video and try to put verbs in the brackets, live, eat, not go and not do, into the sentences. When you're finished, play the video and I will show you the correct answers. Okay, let's check the sentences. Sentence number 1. The correct answer is our family lives in London. Don't forget that our family is the third person singular. It lives in London. So we have to put lives s at the end. Sentence number 2. Sarah and I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Again, Sarah and I is not singular. It's plural. It's we eat lunch at 1 o'clock. So we do not put s at the end of eat. Sentence number 3. The moon doesn't go around the sun. We have not go in the brackets, so we have to make a negative sentence. We know that the moon goes around the earth, not the sun. So the moon doesn't go around the sun. Again, the moon, it is the third person singular, so we have to put s in doesn't go. And sentence number 4. Correct answer is you don't do the shopping every day. Again, we have a negative sentence, so we have to use don't, but we do not put s because it's not the third person. It's you don't do the shopping every day. The last thing we are learning today is questions. It's very easy. Just put do or does at the beginning or the start of a sentence. Do you play football every Tuesday afternoon? Hraješ fotbal každé úterý odpoledne? Without do, the sentence would be you play football every Tuesday afternoon. But the question, do you play football every Tuesday afternoon? Again, remember the rule for the third person singular. Does he play football every Tuesday afternoon? Hraje fotbal každé úterý odpoledne? Again, because the subject is he, we have to use does. When we use pronouns like who, what, where or how, we put them before do. For example, when do you play football? Kdy hraješ fotbal? Or where do you usually play football? Kde obvykle hraješ fotbal? You can see that usually is between the subject you and the verb play. Here is the second exercise. Your task is to put the words in the correct order to create a question. So again, pause the video Try to write the sentences and then play it again. I will show you the correct answers. Okay, let's check the sentences. Number 1, the correct answer is, does Jamie live near the school? You can see that we start with does, then we put who, Jamie, and the activity live. Does Jamie live near the school? Number 2, where do you usually go at Christmas? Here we start with the interrogative pronoun where do you usually go at Christmas? You can also see usually is between you and go, between the subject and the verb. Sentence number 3, why do you always wear sunglasses? Again, we have a pronoun why at the beginning, and always is between you and where, subject and the verb. Sentence number 4, how much does it cost? You can see that how much are actually 2 words. So you have to put how much before does to ask kolik to stojí, how much does it cost? Alright, that's all for this week. Thank you for watching, completing the exercises, and see you next time.